Assalamualaikum, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make delicious and crispy French fries. Let's get started. First of all, wash and peel your potatoes, then cut them into thin sticks. Then soak potato sticks in salt water for just 10 minutes. Then drain water and put them in hot oil for frying. Fry on medium flame until golden brown. Drain from oil and serve with salt and pepper for perfect flavor. And there you have it, crispy homemade French fries in just 1 minute. Like, subscribe and enjoy your snack. See you in next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.